If you're seeing a Stripe payment declined error, it means a transaction didn't go through, and yeah, that can be frustrating for both you and your customers. This usually happens because of card issues, bank restrictions, or incorrect payment details. But don't worry, in this guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. First, check the decline reason inside your Stripe dashboard. You'll often see codes like insufficient_funds, due_not_honor, or card_declined, which tell you what went wrong. Next, make sure the card details are correct. Double-check the card number, expiration date, CVC, and billing address. Another common reason is insufficient funds. Ask the customer to confirm their balance or try another card. Sometimes the bank blocks the payment for security reasons. In that case, the customer may need to contact their bank to approve the transaction. Once everything is confirmed, try the payment again. Temporary issues can sometimes cause a one-time decline. Finally, make sure your Stripe account is fully verified and properly set up. Account restrictions or missing details can also lead to declined payments. And that's it. Following these steps usually fixes Stripe payment declined errors so transactions can go through smoothly. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more Stripe troubleshooting tips.